Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Interpreting Network Diagrams Lecture 18.5. Interpret some features of a network diagram. Interpreting features of a network diagram can provide valuable insights into the structure and components of the network. In short, key features to look for in a network diagram include devices. Identify different devices represented by symbols, such as computers, servers, switches, routers, firewalls, and access points. Each device's placement and connections indicate their roles in the network. Connections. Observe lines and arrows between devices, representing how they are interconnected. The connections display data flow and communication paths within the network. Topology. Analyze the overall network topology, which can be depicted as a star, bus, ring, or mesh. The topology illustrate how devices are organized and how data travels through the network. Subnets. Identify subnets, which are segments of the network that share the same IP address range. Subnets are typically separated by routers, VLANs. Look for virtual local area networks VLANs that segment the network into multiple broadcast domains for enhanced security and traffic management. Interpret most features of a network diagram. Interpreting most features of a network diagram involves understanding the various components and connections within the network. In short, key aspects to consider when interpreting a network diagram include devices. Identifying different devices like computers, servers, switches, routers, firewalls, access points, and printers. Each device's representation reveals its role and function in the network. Connections. Analyzing the lines and arrows between devices to understand how data flows and communication paths are established. Topology. Recognizing the overall network topology, such as star, bus, ring, or mesh. The topology illustrates how devices are organized and connected. Subnets and IP addresses. Identifying subnets that share the same IP address range. Subnets are typically separated by routers, and their addresses play a vital role in routing data. Firewalls. Locating firewalls, which protect the network by controlling traffic and preventing unauthorized access. Interpret all features of a network diagram. Justify the decisions made by the organization. Interpreting all features of a network diagram involves understanding the various components, connections, and decisions made by the organization to design and implement the network. In short, key aspects to consider in interpreting a network diagram and justifying the organization's decisions include devices. The types and quantity of devices deploy reflect the organization's decisions include devices. The types and quantity of devices deployed reflect the organization's infrastructure needs and the scale of its operations. Connections. The layout of connections demonstrates how data flows and communication paths are established efficiently. Topology. The chosen network topology aligns with the organization's requirements for scalability, redundancy, and ease of management. Subnets and IP addresses. The organization's use of subnets and IP addressing reflects a well-designed network architecture, allowing efficient data routing and management. VLANs. The implementation of VLANs indicates a conscious effort to segregate and secure network traffic, enhancing overall network security and performance. Specification coverage. Be able to interpret and amend network schematic diagrams using suitable software. Microsoft Visio. This widely used software allows users to create professional-looking network diagrams with a wide range of shapes and templates. It supports both physical and logical network diagrams. Lucidchart, an online diagramming tool that enables collaboration and real-time editing of network diagrams. It offers an extensive library of network-related shapes and templates. Draw.io, a free, web-based diagramming tool that allows users to create network diagrams using drag-and-drop elements and various export options. Glyphy, a user-friendly online tool for creating network diagrams with templates and shapes relevant to network design. To interpret network schematic diagrams using these software tools, identify components, recognize devices, connections, and symbols used in the diagram to understand the network's topology. Follow data paths. Trace data flow from source to destination. To understand the communication paths and traffic patterns, check labels and annotations. Understand the labeling of devices, connections, and IP addresses for clarity. Interpreting network diagrams. Research 3 different network diagrams on the internet. Interpret each network by stating what type of network is used, e.g. LAN, WAN, etc. What topology is used, e.g. star, mesh, etc. What architecture is used, e.g. peer-to-peer, client server, etc. What components are used, e.g. servers, switches, etc. The security weaknesses in the design. Type of network: LAN, local area network topology, star topology. Architecture: client server architecture, accountants, servers, switches, routers, computers, printers. Security weaknesses: lack of network segmentation, single point of failure, centralized server, potential unauthorized access to the central server. WAN wide area network topology, mesh topology. Architecture: peer-to-peer architecture, accountants, routers, computers, switches, VPNs. Security weaknesses: complexity of mesh topology may lead to higher maintenance and management efforts. Peer-to-peer architecture might be susceptible to security breaches if devices are not properly secured. Progress check.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.